again, here's my fail-safe security. I gotta clean this stuff up here. Let's go do laundry. So back of the van's fine, the bikes are fine. What the hell of a weekend. Okay, let's go, and yeah, we'll do laundry. I might get a curry lunch. I don't know, see how I feel. I gotta go to the supermarket as well, and then go up to Taos for the night. So it's only like 85 degrees. Van's a little bit toasty, but these thermal curtains I got off Amazon, and the thermal curtains in the back of the van do keep it cool, along with the Havelock wool, and then obviously the little visor thing in the front there. So, all right, let's get going. All right, I'm leaving the airport parking, and I got my new sunglasses from Vegas. I got 2 pairs, one for driving, one for my daily glasses for daily wear. So these are my daily wear ones, and I'll go get the other ones. The other ones are just big and square, and just better for days, you know, when I'm driving right directly into the sunlight. Okay, let's pay. So let me get my handy dandy little ticket thing here. And finally, no more having to play like musical chairs with my car and my van. So let's see how much it is. I think it's like $20. Hi, hello. Good. Okay. Same as last time, actually. Here we go. Thank you. Yes, please. Great. Thank you very much. The only downside is that my windshield has cracked even more, which I will show you when I get out on the street here for a second. Hang on. There's no one behind me. Let me show you. Can you see that big crack? It's cracked all the way down, so I'm going to have to get that fixed today. So let me go. I'm not in a hurry to get to Taos. It's only 1:30 p.m. So let me go figure out where I can get my windshield replaced. I think insurance covers it for a bit of it. So I need to get this done. I can't be driving with this cracked windshield this way, not where I'm going. Okay, let me go get that fixed. Did it hit? Can I get the VIN number? The VIN number? Yeah. Hang on 1 second, sorry, I'm multitasking here. Okay, I got my oil change done. Even though I'm like about 800 miles away from getting the oil change, they put it at 5,000 miles when I went to the Nissan dealer in Houston, so I'd rather go 3,000 miles. So after doing that big long drive, I do need a new oil change. And then I ordered my new windshield. So I put the spin cycle laundry, so between 3 and 6 they should be there to fix my windshield in the parking lot, and it was like $380 or something, but I need a new windshield. The chance of it getting smashed like this again, it's only that just really bad road from Salt Lake City. I doubt it's going to happen again. I'll just watch where I'm driving and keep away from big rigs. But yeah, so at least I'm going to get it fixed, hopefully. Hello, this is windshield billing department. We'll need proof of identification. Please send a photo ID of the card. Okay, you can place your card on top of the credit card. Okay, all right, I've got to verify. I just did one of these like 99 cent, like it's not 99 cent, $99. It's not really, it's like $285, $300. But hopefully they'll fix my windshield, because I have like multiple chips and things in this windshield, so I do need it fixed. But in the meantime, I'm getting an oil change, so let me get that done. Let me give them my information here, and hopefully they can fix it, and I can get my laundry done at the same time, and then go get groceries and get out of here. Even if I get to Taos, I can get groceries in Taos when I get there, because I won't get there until like maybe 6 or 7, and there's a Walmart if I really need to get food. It's a sketchy Walmart. I can also get food tomorrow. I've got enough to get me through Angel Fire. It doesn't matter, there's supermarkets everywhere, you know. I just need to get orange juice and stuff like that for tomorrow. So anyway, okay, let me get this sorted. Okay, we are out. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm so worried. Okay, make sure the bikes are okay and never get out of here. I hate trying to pull out of this place because I have to like do a 17-point turn to get out. This way and then back. Oh, come on, out we go. And then this way and honk. Got good service. Thank you. You're so nice here. All right, I'm tired. Why am I dealing with adulting right now? Okay, let me figure out about, let's see. Thank you. Can you please provide your VIN number? Okay, let me go somewhere where I can pull over and give them my VIN number. for this stupid vehicle. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. I'm just gonna pull into like Red Lobster. Holy shit, I didn't know they're still around. Sorry, I'm gonna go in front of you. I'm gonna pull into, oh, Pho. I want some Vietnamese food right now. This is like, I'm not ADD or anything, but like when I'm like, oh, I've got to adult. Oh wow, food. All right, I'm just gonna pull over in this sketchy parking lot right behind Take 5. I need to not park in glass. I don't want flat tires either. Okay, let me sort this out, sorry, blah, blah, blah. All right, this is Spin Cycle, and it's right next to Curry Leaf, which is the best Indian buffet. $18 all you can eat. They've got like 10 different curries. It's great. Mango lassis. I'm actually kind of hungry, but I'm going to do laundry first, work on my computer in the laundromat, which I think I can do, and just work on my next video, and then wait for the windshield guy. So it's Windshield Repairs Are Us, or some bullshit thing that they probably took my money and they're not going to show up. Anyway, I gave them this address, so hopefully they'll be here between 3 and 6, so at least I can get my laundry done. I'll worry about groceries later, and then maybe I'll just get some food to go.
Doctor provides applied read, especially commercial glass.
Okay, Windshields Are Us suck. They canceled my appointment, so now there's another one 3 minutes away around the corner, so I'm gonna go drop the van off now. Hopefully they can get it done. They knocked off about $60 on a coupon for me, so that's good. All right, let's get windshield fixed, and my laundry is still washing. All right, I'm at Glass Doctor. Hopefully they can fix my van. I don't think I'll fit though. Oh, we'll figure it out. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be the jerk that's taking a $3 Uber because I've got to go put my laundry in the dryer. So let me go do that. There's also another Indian restaurant over here. Oh, I know where I am, Kebab and Curry. I know exactly where I am. Okay, I've been at that gas station before. Okay, there's also a boba place across the street. So I think I'm gonna treat myself to some dinner tonight. So at least I'm getting my laundry done. They're just, what is, your kids do not have car seats, woman. She's just barreling out trying to, what is wrong with, some people here don't drive like normal people. Anyway, okay, pick up in 14 minutes. That's fine. And then it's like a 4-minute drive. It's a $3.97 Uber that I'm gonna be taking. So let me go back over here. And they should be getting to my van sometime a little bit after 5, which will be great. I had to pay a little bit extra for the, additional labor overtime, which is fine. It's still cheaper than Safe Flight and insurance. So, okay, pick up in 14 minutes. Okay, I'm back at Spin Cycle, and let me go put this in the dryer. Clifford will be here in 14 minutes, so maybe I have time to walk over and get a drink. Okay, anyway. He'll be here in 13 minutes. I'll just wait. There's no van. My van was here 5 minutes ago, and I don't get to eat curry leaf, but it is so hot, and I'm so tired and hot. So, but yeah, it is good. It's not the kind of food you get to go. I mean, Indian takeaway is different, but I don't know. By the time I'm ready to eat, I'm going to be on the road. So after this, hopefully, I got to call Harriet at 6 p.m. So I think, the window should be done soon. I think what I'll do is head to the supermarket nearby and then just stick around Albuquerque, or, well, I could drive to, well, it's an hour. It's already 4:15, 5:15, 6, yeah. By the time I start driving, it'll be 6 p.m. So I might as well stay here until 7 and then get on the road, and I'll be in Taos by 9 and go straight to bed. So I'm good to drive. I just think that, I just got to get my window fixed. So yeah, just everything kind of, shit hits the fan and it kind of works out. So, you just have to be good and polite and have good karma and just, don't take any crap from people. I mean, this guy's window is cracked too. It's cracked worse than mine, But yeah, you can still drive with a cracked windshield. I just don't feel safe with a cracked windshield, because if I get another rock chip, the places that I'm going, which are in Colorado, it's going to basically like smash my whole window, and I don't really need that. So might as well get it fixed. I'd rather get, a fresh window and then new rock chips than get 3 or 4 more rock chips. But so he'll be in 11 minutes. I do need a drink. I need to get something to drink. Thirsty. Anyway, there's a little boba place, or like little crepe cafe place next to the Glass Doctor. And there's a gas station across the street. So if they're still working on it, I'll just drop my laundry off in the van and go get something to drink there. There's Dairy Queen. Ice cream sounds good. Anyway, there's Chili Traditions. I've never been in there. I want to go in there and get some presents for people. Like, chili sauce is always a good present, right? It's like the hot sauce TV show where they have celebrities interviewed while eating hot sauce. Anyway, okay, Well, that's done. Let me just wait for the Uber in exactly still 11 minutes. Clifford, Nissan Leaf. So he's got an electric vehicle. Good for you, Clifford, for saving the environment. All right, I'm legit. I've got a windshield protection plan, and if it breaks again, they will fix it for free. So I've got to leave the tape on. Oh, it looks so shiny and clean. Look at that brand new windshield. Hopefully it's not going to leak. That was fantastic. Yeah, if it gets broken again, then I get to have it fixed for free. So I've got to put my registration back on, put my laundry in, and let's get the hell out of here. Let's go get groceries, and then I'll call Harriet at 6 p.m. on Zoom, probably from Starbucks, and then I'll go ahead and get on the road to Taos. So I'll probably get to Taos about 9:30 p.m., 10 p.m. And so it begins again. Good morning from the Taos Walmart. We don't have very many neighbors this morning. I think a lot of people, for some reason, left. It is 5:50 a.m. I've got one neighbor next to me, and it is 54 degrees. So it warmed up a little bit from 2 weeks ago. Hang on, I'm gonna sneeze. Hang on a minute. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Okay, so I've got about a 40-minute drive into Angel Fire, and then from there I go north. So I will get gas in Angel Fire. I will dump out my toilet on the way, and then I'll go park up in front of the in front of the bike park. And yeah, I'm just gonna ride all day today. I'm just gonna probably ride until 3 or 4, and then just head up toward Chama, which is only maybe like an hour or 2 drive, and then tomorrow I'm taking the train. So yeah, easy day. I'm not gonna film any GoPro footage or anything at the bike park. I think I'm just gonna have fun offline. Oh, sorry, I'm stretching. Oh, I'm tired. Okay. All right. Anyway, Taos Walmart, it's kind of like such a weird Walmart. The ceiling is so low, and the employees think it feels claustrophobic. And I don't think they have like a supermarket in there. I have enough food and stuff. I don't have to come through. I'm not coming back through Taos. I'm going straight up into Chama, and then I start getting up into Durango, Silverton, Telluride. So yeah, so it's going to be fun. Okay, I go back into Colorado again. Actually, I'm glad that I'm doing this now, this part of the trip now, instead of on the way back, because I think once I go up in through Montana, I just want to kind of have like a week or 2 just to kind of chill, and then I'll come back through here to spend a few days back at Angel Fire before I go back to Houston. So it'll be good. Yeah, so it is the 24th of July, so I don't have to be back in Houston until about the 17th or 18th of August. So I still got a couple weeks to go. And yeah, this is kind of the end of my big summer trip, kind of winding down. And yeah, kind of a good year, weird year. Didn't really travel very much, but I had a lot of housekeeping stuff to do at home. But anyway, let me get on the road, and I'll just chat with you whenever. So I don't know what this video will be. Just be me doing whatever. Not going to film in the mountains, so there's enough videos of Angel Fire if you want to go back and see those. But anyway, okay, let me get on the road.